Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word of the day is anyone. It's a simple yet incredibly useful word, especially for beginners learning English. Anyone is a pronoun that means any person or no matter who. It's perfect for expressing inclusivity or generality in conversations. Let's break it down a bit. You might use anyone when you're talking about a group of people or when you don't want to specify exactly who you're referring to. For example, you could say, "Does anyone know the answer?" This is a common way to ask if someone in a group has knowledge or information. Another example is, "I don't think anyone will mind if we start early," which suggests that you believe no person in the group will have an issue. Now, let's look at some synonyms for anyone. You could use anybody in most cases. For instance, instead of saying, "Is anyone home?" you could say, "Is anybody home?" Both are interchangeable in casual and formal English. Another synonym is whoever, often used when emphasizing choice or inclusivity, like, "Whoever wants to join is welcome." On the other hand, there are antonyms for anyone that show a contrasting meaning. Words like no one or nobody express the absence of people. For example, instead of "Is anyone here?" you could say, "No one is here," or "There's nobody in the room." Let's explore how anyone can fit into everyday life. If you're throwing a party, you might say, "Tell anyone you think would enjoy it." This encourages people to spread the word freely. Or, if you're in a classroom, you might hear, "Can anyone help me solve this problem?" These are natural ways to incorporate the word into conversations. Here are a few more examples of anyone in action. Does anyone want coffee? I can't believe anyone would do something like that. If anyone needs help, please let me know. To wrap up, anyone is a versatile and important word that helps you talk about people in general without specifying who. It's simple to use and fits into countless situations. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's discussion, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. And before you go, why not create your own sentence using anyone and share it in the comments? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.